My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
This is a jumpsuit that I got from Fashion Nova, and it's so cute, and like when I get it on, it fits perfectly. But this was a motherfucker to get into. Like, I don't know if it's just because I have a long torso. I had to like maneuver my arm in there. Like, it was not pretty. It was like a beast trying to get into something small. But it's cute when it's on. Alright, what's up, YouTube beauties? Welcome to my channel. If you are new, what's up? My name is Natalie, and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. If you are returning, what's up, fam? Good to see you. So today's video is going to be an Ipsy Glam bag unboxing for May. I already unboxed my Ipsy Plus, so this is just my regular base Ipsy Glam bag. So let's see. Ooh, the bag is actually prettier than the Ipsy Plus one. It has like a peach to yellow. Well, the Ipsy Plus one did have fringe on the zipper. I did like that. Alright, let's see what I got. There is something that's not in the bag, and that's always a good sign because there's no information card in here either. This is fucking ridiculous. Pardon my French. Okay, but the first product is, oh my gosh, yes, this is everything I would want in a brush and more. The SL Miss Glam SS57 blender. Oh, I can't reach my arms up very far in this jumpsuit. Oh, that's super soft. It's pink glitter with gemstones, you guys. And it's a blending brush. Like, I have a deep obsession with blending brushes. So this is everything right now. Alright, next we have, this is a Tarte H2O gloss in Below Deck. I found it, don't worry. Alright, this could be cool. Oh, it's like a mauve lip gloss. I would definitely rock this. Not right now, but in the future. Alright, the next product is this Pure Brazilian Daily Anti-Frizz Serum. Leave-in treatment for stronger, healthy-looking hair. Okay, this is 1 fluid ounce. So it says it has keratin, acai, and argan oil and cocoa butter. Smoothing and strengthening complex for shinier hair without frizz. That's definitely what my hair needs, so I'm all about that. Next, we have this Pure Lease Matcha Green Tea and Lemon Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. Gently detoxifies pores, clarifies and brightens, exfoliates and purifies. It says oily combination, normal, even sensitive. Okay, well, I don't have any of those. None of the above. Clearly, you did not read my profile. And the last product is this, the Balm Day to Night, I don't know, is this, I'm guessing this is an eyeshadow? It's kind of like a rose goldish. Oh, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that. I can't lift my arms very far. This jumpsuit! I don't know. It's pretty, but it needs like a few layers for you to start to see it. Okay, so that's my Ipsy Glam bag. I mean, for 12 bucks, it's definitely not bad. I like the lip gloss and the hair serum and this brush. Yes! So, overall, not bad. Let me know what you guys got in your Ipsy in the comments below. I love to hear what you guys get. And I love you. I will see you in my next video.